If you can observe this question, a code word is formed by two different English letters followed by two non-zero distinct digits. We have to find the number of such code words, and there's one condition that is given, and the condition is find the number of such code words that end with an even digit. This is an important thing that you have to note. Now, for making this code, we have to make 4 boxes. In the first 2 boxes, we have to put only English letters, and next to in this we have to put digits. Now, at last you have to put only even, since we have to take only even digits, which means that in this one you have to put 2, 4, 6, 8, and we can also put 0, but there's one condition that is given, non-zero digits is required only. So we are having only 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now in this one, if you are choosing from 4, you are choosing one digit, so we are taking it as 4. Now in this one, total number of digits that we have, that is equal to 10. Since we are not taking 0, so you will write as total number of options that we have, 9. Since we had already choose one option, so we are having total option as that is equal to 8. So here we are having 8 options, and here we are having 4 options. Similarly, in the first 2 boxes, in the first box you have to choose 26 letters, and in the second one we can choose 25 letters. So the total number of ways that you will get, that is equal to 26 multiply with 25 multiply with 8 multiply with 4. So that's the answer that you will get, and you can write it as equal to 25 8 4s are 100, and then 26 multiply with 8, or 800 multiply with 26, whatever is the thing that you can do. So you can multiply 26 with 8, you will write this one as 8 6 are 48, you will get the value as 4, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4, that is equal to 20. 20 multiply with 100, you will get the answer as equal to 20,800. This is the total number of ways that we are getting whenever we are making a code of these combination.